Hey guys, Alvin here, and today I'm going to be doing a secret shops video. Why not? An epic one is not one because it's not very secret. But yes, I've got 3 shops. This is not secret, okay? Everybody knows about it. I've got 3 shops, and only one of them has one of these. So let's go to the first one, which, Epic Wonders, Art Shop, Den Shop. But then what's the one above the Den Shop? I guess we'll never know until today. Royal Ridge. Selling all this stuff. So on to the next shop. Now you have to click somewhere down here. Mostly everyone knows about this. Ta-da! They should add some new items to this. It's called I like to call it because why not? In the last shop definitely doesn't show up. Look. So don't trade too much for this, because it's not even rare. People think I'm like, where'd you get that? Well, it's right here. All this stuff is here. I don't know why anybody would want that. No one likes Cosmo. But yeah, this is where you get all this. This sold somewhere before for me, actually. I think I got. I don't know if I got mine here. I don't know. But yes, those are 3 special secret shops. Tell me if you knew every single one, or tell me which ones you knew. And don't in the comments, but don't just say you knew all of them, even though you didn't. Because and there used to be a glitch for non-flying animals to get up to the Royal Ridge, but now it isn't. It's patched because I tried it. So thanks for watching and goodbye.